Hi, this is Dave with Hubstaff, and I wanted to briefly go over the web interface that we have for Hubstaff. There's really only a few sections to this right now. We are just entering into beta, so it's pretty stripped down at this point in time. The important parts to know are organizations. You can start an organization very easily by going to Organizations and then New Organization, and hit save, and you're very easily in this, you've started a new organization. You don't want to start organizations left and right, only if organizations are for actual companies that you have. So if you have multiple companies, organizations would be good to have so that certain users won't be able to see what's going on in other organizations. Other than that, how you define projects within an organization, that's more where you're going to see the volume so that users can select different projects that they're currently working on. So to add a project within an organization is very easily done by just typing project. And it's done, and you can always see the projects within an organization by saying that. Now, the other thing you're going to have to do is invite users. So that's very easy to do. That's a pending invite, but to add a new invite would just be up here, this button. Type their email address, select their role, and they will be invited to your organization, the organization that you're actively inviting them to. Which means that user will only be able to see, you can see that there are various users here, and for instance, I'm a user here, but in this organization, I am the owner. So various designations for the roles can be set up to, within different organizations. And that's really about it as far as the projects and organizations go. Obviously, you have settings here where you can set your email address and time zone. Other than that, the main page you've got to know about is the reports page, and that is where you're going to see all the activity from your users. So activity looks like this, and this is, you can see the time in horizontal rows here. One for each hour, and you can see the activity levels that your employees are working at, and that basically calculates every second whether they move the mouse or typed on the keyboard, and then we have an algorithm that basically calculates out the percentage of time per minute that they were active in every 10-minute segment. These screenshots are randomized so that the user doesn't really know when in that 10-minute segment the screenshot will be taken, so that it just adds variation and gives some integrity to the system. So you can move days here, and any day or any screenshot you want to see more detail on, you just click on that, and then you can click the screenshot and it goes to the next one, and then so that's where you see the detailed views. You can switch users. I have no other users in this organization, so I can't switch, but you'd be able to switch right here. So like I said, it's fairly stripped down, but it's going to be effective. That's about all we have for the web UI at this point. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it helps your business, and please give us feedback. It's always appreciated. Thank you.